The perfume of FragranzaOlio is perfect. Aside from being affordable, it is also a long-lasting perfume. So you can actually be confident for smelling good all throughout the day despite the sweating and the pollutions that you've encountered. And to be honest, I'm really picky when it comes to perfume because strong perfumes triggers my migraine and allergies. But thanks to FragranzaOlio for this vanilla perfume, which has a very mild but powerful scent. So I highly recommend this to you guys.